Most people who are hard to be around do not know it.
Number 1, making every conversation about what has happened to them. You share something exciting and they somehow immediately one-up you with their own story. It kind of makes you feel like you haven't been heard at all.
Number 2.
Using self-deprecation so often that others have to correct them. Yeah, this isn't about being humble. It's more like fishing for compliments, and it forces everyone else to constantly reassure you, which, can get really draining.
Number 3. Treating every opinion as an invitation to debate. This one can turn just a casual fun chat into some kind of verbal battlefield. It makes people not even want to share what they really think around you.
And number 4, bringing negative energy to situations that were fine before they arrived. We've all seen this, right? A room is buzzing, people are laughing, and then someone walks in and just sucks the life out of it with a complaint.
And finally, number 5.
Never being satisfied with anything. So this is the person who gets a big win and then immediately starts complaining about the downside. It sends this message that nothing is ever really good enough, which can make everyone feel pretty unstable. Follow for more. The best insights are still ahead.